Welcome to this insightful video, where we'll uncover the power of quick actions and how they can empower your Salesforce users. By the end of this unit, you'll understand how actions help your users, differentiate between object-specific and global actions, and learn how to create and add actions to your page layouts. Let's start by exploring the world of quick actions. Actions enable your users to perform tasks with ease, such as creating records, logging calls, sending emails, and much more. With custom actions, you can streamline your users' navigation and workflow by providing quick access to the most important information. In previous units, we briefly touched upon the action sections of the object page layout. In this unit, we'll delve deeper into these areas and demonstrate how actions can enhance your users' Salesforce experience. Quick actions come in two distinct flavors, each serving a unique purpose. Let's explore them. Object-specific actions. Object-specific actions have automatic relationships to other records and allow users to create or update records, log calls, send emails, and more, all within the context of a specific object. For example, you can add an object-specific action on the account object to create contacts. When a user creates a contact using that action on the detail page for the Acme account, the new contact is associated with Acme. Object-specific actions reside on the page layout for the respective object. Object-specific actions can take various forms. Create actions enable users to create records that are automatically associated with related records. Update a record actions make it easy for users to edit records with customizable fields. Log a call actions allow users to record notes about calls, meetings, or other interactions related to a specific record. Custom actions invoke Lightning components, flows, Visualforce pages, or Canvas apps, offering user interactions or record creation with related objects. Send email actions exclusive to cases provide users with access to a simplified version of the case feed email action. Global actions are created in a different section and setup compared to object-specific actions. They're called global actions because they can be placed wherever actions are supported. These actions enable users to log call details, create records, or send emails without leaving the page they are on. Global actions reside on their dedicated layout, known as the Global Publisher layout. This layout isn't associated with a specific object and populates the Global Actions menu in Lightning Experience. Users can access the Global Actions menu by clicking the Global Actions icon in the Salesforce header. If an object's page layout isn't customized with actions, the actions on those object record pages are inherited from the Global Publisher layout. In this unit, we'll primarily explore object-specific and global actions, which provide extensive customization options to enhance your Salesforce user experience. In conclusion, quick actions are versatile tools that streamline your users' workflow, making their tasks simpler and more efficient. Whether it's creating records or logging interactions, actions empower your users. First things first, let's navigate to the object we want to work with. In our case, we're working with the account object. Once you're on the account object page, look for the Buttons, Links, and Actions tab. Click on it and then hit New Action. Choose the type of action you want. Now pick the target object, give it a name and label, and hit Save. Now that we've created our action, it's time to make it accessible on the page layout. Once you're in the page layout editor, look for the Mobile and Lightning Actions section. Here you'll find a list of available actions. Drag and drop the action we just created from the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section. Fantastic. We're almost there. Now make sure to save your changes. Click Save at the top of the page layout editor and you're good to go, and there you have it. We've successfully created an object-specific action for the account object. Now, when you navigate to an account record, you'll see our newly created action right there, ready to use. Once you're on the Home tab, look for the Global Actions option. After finding Global Actions, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Global Actions page. Now let's create a new global action. You should see a button that says New Action. Click on that to start the action creation process. Next, you'll need to choose the target object for your global action. Select the object that makes the most sense for your use case. Once you've set the label and name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. This will save your global action and make it available for use in your Salesforce org.
Now, under the Home tab, you'll want to search for the Publisher Layout option. Once you've found it, select it to access the layout settings. Here we are in the Publisher Layout settings. To begin customizing, click on Edit to make changes to the layout. You can rearrange and add different actions to tailor the menu to your specific needs. Let's go ahead and drag and drop the desired action into the Global Action section. Now, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes you've made. Fantastic job! You've successfully added a global action to the Global Action menu. Now, let's see where it appears. Navigate to the top of your Salesforce interface, and you'll find the Global Action icon. This is where all your customized actions reside. Click on it, and you'll see the newly added action ready for use.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.